How to deposit funds on Monese app. If you would like to deposit funds, which in this case is to add money to your Monese account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Monese app and just make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed into the account, there you'll find the option that says add money right on the home page. So you want to make sure to tap the add money button, and there are so many ways to add money. So you can do an instant top up, you can do a bank transfer, you can top up your account with cash, or you can receive the salary directly into your Monese account. You can also request money from friends and contacts. So in this case, I'll just select instant top up. If I select that, here on the next page it will ask you to enter the amount you'd like to top up and also to add a debit card from which you want to top up from. If it's selected bank, you'll find other options similar to the option that you selected. So I hope that this video helped you as to how you can deposit funds on the Monese app. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.